Understanding the time and sales is what separates the great from the good. I've heard people say that the time and sales is bogus, and that cannot be further from the truth. I strongly disagree with that statement. The time and sales can help you better your edge and help you become a better trader. What's up, everyone? This is Eric with Theme Options Trading, and we are in our 3-minute beginner series. And today we're going to talk about the time and sales, or the tape. If you watch till the end, I will give you key questions I consider whenever I read the tape during a trade or before a trade. And as I mentioned in the intro, truly understanding how to read the tape can help take your trading to the next level. So this video is only scratching surfaces, and it's important to call that out. And if you want to take your trading to the next level by the tape, I have a course I offer where I teach exactly how I use the tape for my trading and how it helps me enter trades early to capitalize further on trades. The time and sales, what is it? Well, from a high level, the time and sales displays all trade transactions. Well, almost all trade transactions, but that's a discussion for another time. You can customize how you view the time and sales. Most people choose to display 3 data points when it comes to the time and sales. First, the time. Second, the trade price. And third, the volume. Another feature of the time and sales is each print is a unique color. It can be red, it can be white, it can be green. A green trade price or a green print means that a trader bought on the ask, meaning he was willing to buy at a higher price in order to get filled. A red print means that a seller sold on the bid, meaning the seller was willing to sell at a lower price and get filled on the bid. And if you see white, that means a trade transaction occurred somewhere between the bid and the ask. But how can reading the tape help you become a better trader? Because candlesticks already display trade price data, right? Well, yes and no. The tape gives you more insight into what goes on in a candlestick because all candlesticks aren't created equal. Some are larger, some are smaller, some have low volume, some have high volume, and much more goes on behind the scenes than what meets the eye. Cue the key questions I ask myself before I enter a trade. Are there more green prints than red prints? Are there more red prints than green prints? Is there more volume on the green prints, or is there more volume on the red prints? What occurs faster, green prints or red prints? What do I mean by that? Are there a lot of buyers who are willing to buy at a higher price within a short amount of time? And the same holds true for the other side. Are there a lot of sellers who want to sell at a lower price within a short amount of time? Or are there a lot of fast red prints? Truly understanding how to first identify these questions and second, analyze these questions can help you better your edge when it comes to trading. So let's discuss that in a little more detail. Sometimes you can pick up on heavy buy flows or heavy selling flows, and this can help you enter in your trades slightly earlier. The same holds true when it comes to holding your trade for profit. Let's say you're bullish on the trade or long on the stock. There might be heavy sell flows on the tape, which is a valid reason to exit a trade early. You might be holding a trade for your profit target, but you notice there's heavy selling. So let's exit rather than wait for me to be stopped out on this trade for no profit at all. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found that it added value. Until next time.